How to change the language in PowerPoint. Welcome to Glitz Sorcerer. Let's jump right into the video. In this video, I will show you step by step on how you can change the language in PowerPoint. The first step is to search for the PowerPoint app on your PC or laptop. Now you want to click on this. Once PowerPoint has been opened, you can find that the default language right now is English. Now, if you want to change it, you want to click on the File option at the top left corner of your screen. Now from here, select Options. Here on the left-hand side menu, you have different options such as General, Proofing, Save, and Language. Select on the fifth option of Language. Here you have two different sections, Office Display Language and Office Authoring Languages and Proofing. You can now select languages for both these sections. If you don't already have the language that you prefer, click on Add a Language option. Then from this list, you want to select any language that you want to add. Once you select the language, click on the Install option. Now, Microsoft Office is going to install the language. Click on the OK option for that. Now, PowerPoint will start downloading and installing the language, so you will have to wait for some time. Once the download has been completed, that language is going to appear on the list. Select that and click on Set as Preferred, then click on the OK option. After that, you want to confirm the language change, and your language is going to be successfully changed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.